Great leaders don't just manage. They inspire, motivate, and guide. What sets them apart? Vision, purpose, and values. These three elements are the foundation of authentic leadership and the compass for long-term success. Here's the truth. Without a clear vision, a strong sense of purpose, and well-defined values, it's easy to lose your way as a leader. In today's video, I'll show you why these are essential, how to craft your personal vision, uncover your purpose, and define your core values. Stick around to learn how to lead with clarity and conviction. G'day, welcome to TechO.com, where we explore leadership, strategy, and business growth. My name is TechO. I'm a management consultant with 40 years of experience advising businesses and leaders on personal and team development and business growth. If you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe for actionable insights that help you lead with impact. Now let's dive into how vision, purpose, and values can transform your leadership. Vision, purpose, and values are the foundation of inspirational leadership because they bring clarity, consistency, and meaning to your actions. A clear vision paints a compelling picture of the future, inspiring others to rally behind a shared goal. It gives your team direction and motivation, helping them see the bigger picture even during challenging times. Purpose adds emotional depth. It's the why that drives you and connects with others on a human level. When your purpose resonates, it ignites passion and commitment, making people want to follow you, not because they have to, but because they believe in what you stand for. Values, meanwhile, are your guiding principles. They shape how you lead, make decisions, and build trust with those around you. A leader who consistently lives their values demonstrates integrity and authenticity, two traits that inspire loyalty and respect. When vision, purpose, and values align, you don't just manage people, you inspire them to believe in their potential and work towards something greater. That's the kind of leadership that leaves a lasting impact. Let's start with vision. A vision is your picture of the future, a goal that you're striving for. Here's how to create yours. First, reflect on the big picture. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve in my life, in my career or business in the next 5 to 10 years? Be specific. A vague vision like, I want to be successful, isn't enough. Instead, think, I want to lead a thriving team that revolutionizes sustainability in this type of business, this niche. Make sure you write it down. Commit your vision to paper. Studies show how written goals are more likely to be achieved. On a day-to-day level, visualize it daily. Take a moment every morning to imagine living your vision. It reinforces focus and motivation. Purpose is the why that fuels your vision. Without it, your goals can feel empty. Here's how to find your purpose. First, examine your passions. What activities make you feel alive and energized? Then, identify your strengths. What are you naturally good at? Purpose often lies at the intersection of what you love and what you're skilled at. Then the next step, ask reflective questions such as, what impact do I want to leave on the world? Or, who do I want to serve or help? Finally, test it and refine it. Purpose evolves. Try new experiences and adjust as you learn more about yourself. For example, if you're passionate about helping others grow, your purpose might be to mentor future leaders or build businesses that empower people. Values are your compass. They guide your decisions and actions. To define your core values, identify what matters most. Make a list of the qualities and principles you stand for. For example, integrity, innovation, family, or growth. Then prioritize. Think through it and narrow it down to 3 to 5 values that resonate deeply. These should feel non-negotiable to you. Finally, align your actions to your values. Reflect on whether your daily actions support your values. If not, adjust. Here's an exercise to try. Write down 3 situations where you felt most fulfilled. What values were present? Now, write 3 situations where you felt conflicted. Which values were compromised? This exercise will help you gain clarity on your true values. Now imagine this. You have a clear vision, a strong purpose, and non-negotiable values. Together, these create alignment. You lead with consistency, make confident decisions, and attract people who share your mission. That's the power of becoming a value-driven, purpose-led leader. To recap, great leaders anchor themselves in 3 pillars. 1. Vision, your North Star, the future you're striving to create. 2. Purpose, the deep why that fuels your leadership. 3. Values, the principles that guide how you lead and live. If you want to stand out as a leader, take the time to define these for yourself. Now it's your turn. This week, take 30 minutes to reflect and write down your personal vision, purpose, and top 3 values. Share one of them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what drives you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more leadership insights, and share this video with your fellow leaders or aspiring entrepreneurs who are ready to grow. Until next time, remember, leadership starts within. See you soon.